Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza and welcome to my channel, Sophie Stained Glass. Today I'm going to show you how I made this gorgeousness, this item here, and it was an experiment to use zinc cane for the first time. I have used its rigidity to make a structure that I'm going to shove into the ground to make a garden ornament. And I used one of my favourite techniques, which is powdered frit and leaves, and I think it's really pretty. I'm very pleased with it, so stay tuned for how I did it. So this is the panel as it's come out of the kiln after the first firing, and I mean, even that's just really pretty, isn't it? But I'm now going to put on the orange and red and yellow. Now the delicate bit. Right, pop it in the kiln. So let's have a look at the finished product. Actually, that's very nice, happy with that. Let's go and put it in some zinc cane. So I fitted them over the edge of my glass and I've drawn lines. Now this is obviously an interesting angle, should we say? And I need to get the right mitre, so this is how I'm going to do that. Make sure it's in as firmly as I can get it. Let's just put it further along. Okay. So now, this is what I'm going to do. There we have it. And that hopefully should give me the right size. I've done the first mitre here. I tried loads of different ways to cut this zinc cane. Don't like cutting it. My hacksaw doesn't touch it really. Weirdly, neither does my multi-tool. Didn't really touch it. When I used my angle grinder, of course it just made a horrible grindy mess. Not a nice finish. So I ended up going back to this, which is my gasket cutter, which you get. They use it in the double glazing industry. Takes a bit of persuasion, but actually I found this the best thing. Now I'm not very strong, so this is my method. Now, Okay. Okay. Well, that's quite a nice mitered joint. If I could just get this to not wobble about. Okay, pretty happy with that. So now we're going to go in and solder our zinc cane. And it actually solders rather nicely. There. So actually, that really wasn't any trouble at all. Quite pleased with that. So here it is, stuck in a flower pot. And I think you can see that actually you'd be able to grow your viney leafy things up the garden ornament. Clearly not a gardener, but I know some people who are. So really it was just an experiment, and hopefully it will give you some ideas of things you could do yourself. You don't have to do this shape or size. You could do things that hung from trees, you know, you could do small things. I'd say it doesn't bend, so they're going to have to be straight edges. I think this is really nice, really happy with this. So I hope that's given you some ideas. Perhaps there's a Christmas present in it. You never know. So thank you for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe.